potato boba. Handmade artisanal boba. Don't forget to like and thumb this video.
Hey guys, it's your girl Tina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna be making a boba tea, aka bubble tea, from scratch. So I've watched a bunch of YouTube videos and recipes on how to make this, and I decided that I'm gonna follow Joshua Wiseman's recipe. He shows you how to make the perfect boba tea. So let's get into it.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring up the the recipe.
They're super easy to make, and they only require a grand total of 4 ingredients. First step, we're gonna make the pearls. In a small sauce pot, add a third cup or 78 milliliters of water, a third cup or 65 grams of packed brown sugar. I highly recommend going by grams here, by the way. You just gotta trust Papa's intuition. Now heat that liquid to boiling, then reduce the heat to low, add half your tapioca starch, and quickly mix it in for about 6 to 8 seconds, then turn off the heat, and mix in the remaining half of your tapioca starch. Mix until thoroughly combined, and it begins to form a dough, then dump it out onto a work surface and knead it together until you get a beautifully smooth.
Okay, let's just start with that. So 4 ingredients, mix it together in a pot to make the dough for the boba. We're gonna do that. Yes. Hello, Zen. She is back. Say hello to my little Zen. Hello. So I've already measured my ingredients and I've got my little pot here. Okay, so I'm gonna add in the water, my brown sugar. Give that a little stir. So I'm gonna stir this until it comes to a boil.
Hi guys, welcome to my stream.
We should stream this.
A gamer girl makes boba.
Dude, that's like the best combination. That's why I have my Super Mario World t-shirt on today. Okay, it is boiling. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slow down. Turn the heat to low. Okay, and then we'll add in half the tapioca. And then quickly stir, 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 stir. Oh my God, I'm stirring so quickly that it's like making my belly jiggle. Hang in there, baby. Oh, it's so clumpy, yeah. And then I'll add in the rest. You gotta be quick. Okay, don't be too quick that like half the flour flies out as you're stirring. Okay. Is this supposed to look like this? I guess. Okay, I'm kind of just scraping all that from the bottom and then we gotta like dump it on our work surface to knead. Gonna dump it out, but don't make sure it doesn't fall on the ground. Oh my gosh, this is messy. Oh, that's gonna be a pain to wash. How are you supposed to knead this? Because it's really hot. It's very hot.
Ow, ow, ow.
Ooh, ooh. Am I supposed to wait until it cools?
This is how people make boba.
Torturing myself, it's so hot. My fingers. Maybe I use a spoon and try to like knead it. I guess it needs to be hot, right? Oh, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, 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 potato. It's so hot still. Crying internally. It's so hot. My hands are so hot. Think of happy thoughts. I think it's all coming together though. It's looking a lot better.
I don't know how you're kneading that. Okay, I get it now.
I don't think I can feel my hands anymore. I think my nerves, they're all being damaged by now. Until it's smooth, I guess? How long is it gonna take to get smooth? Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is requiring a lot more work than just buying boba, but if it's delicious, then it'll be worth it. I think it's like coming together. What if I like give birth at any moment?
While you're making
While
boba.
I'm making this, just to satisfy my boba cravings. And I thought, you know what? Maybe it's like healthier if I make it myself at home. It's definitely not healthier. Did you see how much sugar was in there? I'm sweating. It's like Play-Doh now. I hope these are chewy. It's not super smooth. I just keep stretching it.
It looks like a potato.
And now we end up with a potato boba. I'm gonna just like cut this. Oops. Wrong way. I'm gonna cut this into like 3 pieces. And then to keep these moist, I'm gonna cling wrap it. That was the smallest cling wrap ever. Oh my God, it's stuck. And now with this little guy, I'm gonna roll him out. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling.
More work.
I feel like I work at Din Tai Fung, you know, in the windows, just making the dumplings, just like robotic.
We're a boba making factory.
Zen's gonna roll some over there too. Just speed things up because this pregnant lady really wants her boba drink.
Ew.
You're gonna do it while it's warm, Zen. I'm gonna cut that and then keep rolling it. I think I need it a little bit thinner. Do you reckon that's a good size?
It's so big.
Is that so big? Oh,
Because it expands when you cook it.
okay, so a bit smaller then. So elasticy that it kind of springs back in. Okay, I think that's good, right? Now I'm just going to cut them into little pieces. I'm gonna try to roll like this. I'm gonna go 2 at a time because I'm impatient. Little balls. Actually, I think it's fastest to do 1 at a time. My balls are big compared to yours then. Are mine too big now? Should I like make it smaller?
Fine.
We can have an
We'll just have
assortment of
different, yeah.
sizes. Because, you know, all size boba are beautiful. It's a little time consuming, but it will be worth it, I hope. Mine's literally every size. Zen's still going with her side, but I've got my sea of balls here and I'm gonna toss them in some more tapioca starch so then they don't stick together. Whee! Time for a tapioca bath. Oh my god, they're rolling away. I've lost one. I've lost one. Some of these are like, I don't know what shape you'll go for then. So good. It's okay, as long as they're delicious. Now I'm just going to sift my pearls out to get rid of any excess flour. They're looking pretty good, eh? Even though there's an assortment of sizes. But this is when you can freeze them and like save them if you don't want to cook all of them, but we're gonna cook all of them. So now I'm just boiling my pot of water and then I'm going to cook these boba for 30 minutes until they're nice and tender. Tender. Do they get tender or do they get chewy? So I'm done cooking my boba. I'm letting that sit in the hot water for about like 20 minutes until it goes translucent. So whilst that's happening, I thought I'd make my tea. We're getting fancy today, guys. I looked like everywhere in my pantry. The only black tea I have is this fancy one from TWG. A Valentine breakfast tea. It's very bougie. It's so fancy. It even has these little pearls in it. Oh, that smells so good. Smell it. Smell it. Black tea of romance weds fresh, ripe fruits that bead the soft amber infusion like luminous tears of joy. Whoa, that is deep. So I'm just gonna steep some tea. So I'm gonna let that steep for a couple of minutes. I don't need much because I'm gonna mix it with milk after. I'm gonna make some matcha tea as well. This one is from Tea People, organic matcha. Matcha. Hello, focus on my eyeball. Oh.
Whoa.
Should we do like 2 teaspoons? And put a little bit of water. Give it a good mix. I need one of those like
Matcha whisks.
matcha whisks. Smells good. Smells good, I'm telling ya. Okay, so that's what my boba's looking like after I've drained it. Now I'm gonna make the brown sugar syrup. Can't wait to eat you. So for this part, he adds in sugar, water, and molasses. I couldn't find that, but I heard that you can substitute it with like honey or maple syrup or more brown sugar. So that's what we're doing. It's boiling.
So I'm just gonna mix this and let it boil until it thickens up. I want it to be reduced and a little bit like sticky. Now I'm gonna add in my pearls. Okay, I think we're ready to assemble our drinks. The boba, there's just an assortment of sizes, okay guys? So it's not like perfect, but these are just like handmade artisanal boba. So let's make the first one. We'll just make it with the black tea. So in goes the boba. Ice cubes. Oh my god, are these ice cubes too big? Oh no, they're just a bit. I'm gonna pour in my black tea now. And then add in my fresh milk. I'm gonna quickly make the matcha one now. How good does this look, guys? Now I kind of understand why like those TikTok aesthetic drinks account get so many views. It's just so satisfying watching them assemble the drinks. I understand. I'm gonna try the matcha one. Jen's gonna try the milk tea one. Oh my god, I thought it wasn't gonna be chewy because I tried it right after we cooked it and it was like sludge, but now that it hits the like cold milk, it's chewy. Oh my god. And it actually fits through our straw. I was like hoping that, you know, we can get some through the straws because they were just such odd shape. There was some huge bobas in there. Oh my god. Actually, the big ones are really chewy. We should have made more big ones.
So, I want to try that one. The tea that tastes. Try it.
Oh my god.
Right? The black tea tastes like flowers. I feel like I'm drinking flowers. It's so good.
It's so good. Guys, get this. This was a gift. Elevate your bubble tea game with this. Oh my god, it's so good. Wow.
It's actually really good.
To be honest, guys, it took so long for us to make. I was like just second guessing my life, like halfway. I was like, all I wanted was boba tea and I just wanted to make it. Didn't think it'd actually take this long, but it's actually so worth it. Thank God we have more boba left. We can keep making this.
Which one do you like better? I don't know. They
They're both really good. What would you rate this then?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, baby. It was worth the hard work. I know it's rude to chew with your mouth open, but you have to hear it. It's so good. The texture is chef's kiss. Right, I'm gonna call Alfred out. Alfred! Okay, I've topped it up for Alfred so he can try it.
Yo,
Should I try?
this looks so good. Wait, are there different flavors? Why is
Yeah, but they're different flavors. You're gonna have to bend, you're too tall.
No.
Like, you're out of the frame, dude.
The burger's really good.
It's chewy.
Yeah.
It's actually chewy. You know what I was making this? Like, Zen and I tried it. We were like, oh, it's not really tasting like boba. And I felt so defeated.
No, the texture is like boba. It's actually better than like what you get at the shops because it's fresh.
Fresh. Okay. What about this?
Wow, it's
This
got
is
a really
matcha.
nice chewy texture.
Do you like the tea? That's this fancy tea that we got gifted. You don't like the tea? Like matcha better.
It's not better.
You like
Matcha's way
matcha?
better.
Alfred's too basic. He doesn't appreciate
No.
fancy stuff.
That one was like very
Florally?
flowery. Yeah.
Oh,
I was
yeah.
feeling it.
He likes fruity. I like floral.
This is great. Take it with me.
No!
Come back! Sure.
We only made 2.
I know, we should have made more. We should have made more. I think that was a hit, guys. I'm actually really proud of myself for making that. Now I am a true boba fan, making it from scratch. Anyways, that's it to this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and thumb this video.
Boba thumbs.
Boba thumbs. These are the straws. Also check out my other like cooking videos. I'll make a playlist and like link it up here. I better go before Zen drinks all of these. So I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye.